Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarded from King Mix Up, it's not credible and you don't know the things said. Pretty sure most of y'all heard by now that Alkaline's boss, Dog Paw, has got blasted in his arm. You feel what I'm saying? Alkaline is no longer a part of this crew. He's a musician now, and people might say his life is in danger, and he can't go back to Jamaica since Dog Part release. And now, him get touch up and wet up. So people are wondering if the blind boy, the young lord, had anything to do with this. And I'm here to tell you people, those rumors are false. Yes, I'm going to give you the official report. Also, it has been brought to my attention that Popcaan has a new girlfriend. Yes, not the African that him see from Jakir, cause Jakir and him dirty dread ways. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're gonna take a look at her and we're gonna see if this is really his girl or not. And from what I see, it might be. And lastly, people, I have some video footage of expert show off on we the people them normally beg for fridge TV, wedding things and all of these things, and not isn't he only is he stunting on us, he's dissing. At the same time, there must be some desperate woman in America that would really import rascal expert, you feel what I'm saying? But nevertheless, people, let's get on to the review them. Now, people, I'm not gonna lie to you. We can't say what we want to say about Vendetta fans, but I'm not gonna lie, they were definitely right on this one. Maybe Dog Paw is safer in prison than Outer Road, Yes, me see a lot of Vendetta people did say that when Dog Paw to get released, him just get released what they are, not even a year, you feel what I'm saying? And boom, him get shot. You see me, I know them say Alkaline life in danger because him never sent on the food when food was needed to, But people, this don't have nothing to do with Alkaline, and this is what the police have confirmed, that the alleged gang leader Christopher Linton was shot and injured Saturday night. The circumstances is unknown. It's not immediately clear. But they said he was shot in the shoulder and he's in stable condition. You feel what I'm saying? They're saying this might have been stemmed from some incident in Bull Bay, but they're not sure because of conflicting stories. They said it happened in Tavern's place. But the police are going to interview homeboy, I guess when him come out of the hospital or ease up, and get him lie and all them things. But he denies being the leader of the Dog Park gang. You feel what I'm saying? And now it has been brought to my attention that Popcaan, the unruly king, 876 God, is in a relationship with a black woman. Yes, because a lot of people been saying, oh, Popcaan just the light skin thing them and thing. Him did have a Trini thing, but him they say a African thing from Jakir. And I asked somebody if this was the same individual, and they said that this is not. People put in the comment section when is Popcaan's birthday, because it looked like he flew her out to come celebrate his birthday with him. Yes. We just seen that was Poppy right there. She was like, happy birthday. Be a lover emoji and all of these things. You see me, I said. But me not like the girl ever, you see me? Oh, before I forget. What's her name? Well, we'll just call her Bougie. Yes. 'Cause she bad. No, one thing me not like with blood clot idiot people is when them try hype and we, people. You see me, I say him dissing Rose are one thing because she is a different story, But you mean for tell me said this boy come from, hey, look on the money him a show off with pan people. And them a beg with TV and these things for all of these years. And you read for tell me say a woman want to give him them visa.
Hey. Lady, we can't see you, you know. You play hide and seek like man. Hey, Ricky JPS. I the girl in love me, but they play hide and seek your frig. And furthermore, people, if you don't ask me about Rose, go see them go chat to Rose on yourself. While see 5 bills where that man him, he can maintain him 9 kids them. 5 bills of money. What is a 5 bills? Only tell me that. What is a 5 bills? Look for 500. Use 100 out of 5 bills to rat it done. Much less $1,000. Eh? Why scholar about simply them out can left, right, and center like man up in library. Know this thing, but in them fi come first. No matter what you tell me say. Who don't know nobody about man to go look work. Who no man? If you don't work for him, man, just find me. Yeah, me I put up my phone number for Instagram. Just talk to me if you want to chat to me. Yo, share the life if you want to chat to me. Viral dog, Rampy, Walmart, them ITV, Mission Man, and the whole team pick up on their damn self. I be done say one more thing again, people. Police, free, free that man, free family and free cartel. Me no matter what no try tell me say. Yo, see pink wall, see a pink wall. Ono no nobody. Me tell you, I tell you no. Ono no nobody, bro. Yo, me I look at my license, you know, so we can't tell me no what free, you know. Driver's license, up and running now. You know, my class is something almost done already. Me drive my vehicle come, me couldn't see. One of you say, man, nah money. I reckon you like me. Nah money. Bro, me tell you no man. I reckon you like me. Coupon me too. Share the life if you want to say, add me, please and thanks. Yo, remember saying, no, show them one thing. For you say, I would alone spend money to make house up and running. Me tell you one thing. If you like to yo, scam me now do this thing here. Me I'll show you all. Look at this. Scam me now do this thing, bro. I don't mean to me have the money. I'm part of it. Sponsorship by me. And the whole team say me. No matter what I try to tell me say. I reckon you. No matter what I reckon you. No matter what I tell me say. If you go look work. But I yes, girl. Me tell you one thing, man. One man a beat on with broomstick. That me I tell you no, yeah? No man a beat on with broomstick. Just share the life you know and say add me, please and thanks. Bye boy. Oh no girl, come like a spoiled barefoot, rather. Than fry Irish. Remember say me I go watch it tomorrow, so if you know how forward come link me, I watch it square me I go tomorrow. 6 o'clock in the morning me I left out on my place. You know where the place to be, you know, watch it square. After the girl look like a toaster. Easy. Yo, go on this. Me no bake and me no sponge. No girl can use me like a floor mat. That's number 1. Me not pull you out, me couldn't see how. A bad mind, no bad mind people. Yo, I want to Shani make that song if I get some girl really am a bella. Me no beg. Hard working you like me no beg here. That me I tell you now. I was girl that say me fear them. Yo, look come yo, I was girl this. I think girl I love me like a hey. Yeah man, I mean I'm official expert girl is boss my Instagram page. Check out my Instagram page. Yo, me have something new for now, but me not drop yet. No matter what I try to tell me say bro. Yeah, remember some if you do one video if your Father's Day gone already now. Still can't do it in it too late, but me not do it today. Monday before me do it. Me not do nothing today. I freestyle, I'm lucky. Just add me for no one chat to me, please and thanks. Ah man, me not play. Board it up, my friend.
You know who? You know who?
Me can't see your face.
You see me?
Me can't see your face, D. You not show your face.
You know, you know clutcher though.
Watch ya. What direction, my free?
There, man. So when you're forward and out.
Man, come over there this morning.
Eh?
Yeah, about a beer and snakes over there.
Oh.
So me have to show back.
Oh.
I be a huntress
So
over there.
big up yourself, here.
Yeah, man. Same speed, my
Yeah,
friend.
fully.
I like force me cover, so I can't go on. Yo, share the live if you know say add me, please and thanks. Oh. Yeah, man, just say add me people if you know how to say add me, please and thanks. Yo, you still at that, bro? Ah, boy.
What make you so disrespectful?
Why free now?
What make you so disrespectful?
Bro, what we do?
Your mouth don't have no manners.
What I do?
Your mouth don't have no manners.
Oi.
People ask you for rose and you cuss the people them. Where was there?
Well, me just tell you a while ago, and you just still come back again.
I live in Jamaica, I live in New York, I ask you for rose.
I'm very sorry.
Where was?
She there yard.
Where your rose have?
Eh? Some people don't want to good in their life. Me make sure I'm telling them from now. But if people match it, listen, now. You see people match it help her. She'll make people style. I try style people. But me now make see them look how loose people when I go steal them. Style my friend them here.
I don't know who's funny him, sir.
See them. Want to come to Jamaica one day? Want to come to Jamaica one day? I'm gonna carry up there.
Carry me up there.
No worry about that. They can't touch you.
Alright, yeah, bad man.
Maybe our compound, but one thing, flank my born and grow here.
Huh?
Flank my born and grow.
I don't know who's funny him, sir.
That's why we say when you come at Jamaica, they make you know.
Oh.
So what you do today?
My soon get ready for go at work.
They can't bring me.
Oh, yeah, take a plane come?
Any kind of record, I must have work me at that boat.
Huh?
Must have work me at that boat.
Massage?
Yes. And if you have your money there, me don't care.
What? Me not have the money in my room.
And if you
I'm
have
a
your money
little
there.
brother.
What?
I'm a little brother and I don't have the money now.
Yeah, show me man, but me not talk about no man. Me say me not talk about no man. Me say, if you have your money there, me not care. Me come massage you.
Oh, you want to massage me?
Yes.
For
Me even
why?
want beard too. Me even want beard too. If I look like your man now beard the right way.
Money! What? You see your mom, I tell you about your mouth, you don't have no manners.
Oi. Where manners are go? Manners not go nowhere.
You don't have no manners.
Manners not go nowhere. I'm in name. Me can't change. I'm money then change.
What
What you say?
No, me a show my mother you.
What are they? Oi, where you go?
I'm not going nowhere, me a show my mother you. Me a show my new husband.
Hold on, before you show me your mother, let me see something.
Yeah, me a show my new husband. Out your dog. I don't think you'll see her.
Turn on the light. I said, enough in room, dog.
You want to see my baby?
My baby, not your baby alone. Watch him now. So pretty. She have everything for me though.
She asleep. She's tired.
How you do her? Make sure you sleep.
She up all night last night.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Me can send my number for Instagram, you know.
Send me a number.
For Instagram.
For true?
I swear.
You want married?
You more Marto.
So I'm to Rose.
Some girl are really my bella.
I'm sure you're outside in New York or it's hot.
New York
You
no
want to
hot.
see outside?
I know
It's hot
outside want to see
outside.
something else. Jesus.
I'm sure you're outside. Hot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah man, I like it. Well, one
You
thing,
want
you
green
see
card?
what?
You want married and get green card? And that's
Yeah.
what I'm saying in the comment. You
Yeah
want
man.
green card?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'll get a green card. Yeah, send me a number.
Yes. Me I'll send him my
Alright.
name too. Me I'll send him my name too.
Where name? Where
Official.
right name?
Oh, X Ford Spence.
Huh?
X Ford Spence.
Alright. So me a new woman text me, yeah?
Huh?
Text me a new bae.
Yeah man. No problem.
Alright.
What your name for Instagram?
Kima unique.
Alright. Must work one
Alright.
still. Alright, be later. Yeah, people don't say add me if you want to chat to me, please and thanks.
Yeah, I was just giving those quick updates, so don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for the latest and dance. So bless. Up on yourselves.